some crispy chicken at KFC. So this is 11 secret ingredients. It's called shake and bake. So we need some drumstick chicken and the shake and bake with foil on top of the tray. So first of all, I'm gonna start by washing my hands with soap. Okay, so the reason why I don't like using gloves is because I don't know the chemicals that we use to make it. So we're gonna start. First of all, we're gonna grab our first piece of chicken. We're gonna put the chicken in this Ziploc with shake and bake in it. We're gonna seal it back up. It's kind of hard to seal up. Okay. Now we're gonna shake it up. I need to shake it really good. Okay, now it's done. Yeah. I'm gonna take it out. It should be looking like this. I'm gonna put it in the foil. Now we're gonna repeat. Okay. Time for the last one. I'm gonna pick out a big one. This is hard to shake up because there's not much left. I'm gonna add in another one. I hope this doesn't spill. Okay, good. Seems like there are different mixtures. Okay. We're gonna have to get everywhere powdered, or else it's not gonna taste good. Okay, now I'm just gonna wash my hands. Let's head over to the oven. Well, you can fry yours if you want, but I'm gonna use the oven because frying isn't as healthy. So, come on, let's go. Come over here. So, we're gonna need to press bake. And then we're gonna preheat the oven on 380. We're gonna start, and I'm just gonna put mine in now. Oops, it's come a little bit quicker. Just gonna. Oh. So it's looking like this now. Make sure it's all coated. we're gonna add it in. Ooh. I'm just gonna push it in. Welcome back. Let's see if the crispy chicken is done now. So I'm gonna wear my oven gloves first. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna open the oven. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh, first of all, I need to turn off the oven. Oh, that's hot. Can I put on the table? Oh. Yeah. Just give me 1 second to take this. Okay, so this is looking amazing. So I'm just gonna let it cool down and then I'm gonna eat it. And just so you guys know, I'll be posting every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So make sure to always stay tuned. Bye, love you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Please, it will really help me a lot. Thank you. Bye.